TWK equips their rotary encoders with a slewing ring function. Here you can see a common method to determine the position of a slewing ring. Using a transition gear, here in green, the position of a slewing ring is converted 1 to 1. TWK has integrated the transition gear into the encoder. What are the advantages? The encoder provides the slewing ring position. The huge range of transition gears required for different cranes is covered with only one encoder. This encoder replaces all transition gears, reduces the required space, reduces storage costs, speeds up the installation time and eliminates backlash, which increases the position accuracy. For more information, visit our website.